Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for a yarn. Let's crochet this cute Harry Potter scarf bookmark. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. This is called slip knot. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called chain. Chain 9, yarn over, skip 2 chains and start from third chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. This is called half double crochet. We should make in each stitch 1 half double crochet. Total 7 half double crochet in each row, like this. Chain 2, turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook into both loops and make half double crochet. We start each row with chain 2 and in next we are making half double crochets. We should crochet 4 rows red, and in the end of row 4 we shouldn't pull through, and we have something like this, and we make a slip knot with our yellow yarn like this and just pull through and chain 2. We should make 3 rows yellow and 3 rows red, total 7 changing color, and we crochet 3 rows yellow, and after that just change color like this, and we should make in the end 4 rows red like this, as you can see. Don't forget to like this video. And in the end, chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and tie it, and just use your needle and fasten off like this. In next, I'll show you how to root in our scarf. It's so simple. You can use anything, but I use a mirror and pull the yarn around of it like 7 or 8 rounds, and just cut it with your scissor like this, and insert your hook into the stitch, pull through and pull through, and just tie it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.